Welcome to Choice Champions. The best portable Pilates bar is probably one of the most versatile and effective home fitness tools you can add to your workout routine, offering a low-impact yet powerful way to sculpt your entire body, from strengthening your core and glutes to toning your arms and legs, all without the need for bulky gym equipment or expensive studio classes, making it an ideal solution for anyone looking to achieve a full-body workout conveniently and efficiently in the comfort of their own home or while traveling. Number 5. Bbtops Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. Experience unmatched durability and portability with our Pilates bar. Its reinforced connections ensure stability, while its lightweight design makes it perfect for workouts anywhere, anytime. Achieve your fitness goals with stackable resistance up to 140 pounds. This versatile kit adapts to your strength level, offering a personalized workout experience. Sculpt your body and boost your fitness with this all-in-one solution. It efficiently targets your core, legs, and arms for a complete full-body transformation. Transform any space into your personal gym. This compact kit replaces bulky equipment, offering effective workouts and easy storage for your convenience. Suitable for all users, from beginners to advanced athletes. Improve your strength, flexibility, and posture with this comprehensive and user-friendly fitness tool. What we like? This one offers enhanced durability with reinforced connections, making it robust for intense workouts. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting piece of equipment that can grow with your fitness journey, this is a great choice. Its stackable resistance up to 140 pounds ensures you can always find the right challenge. What people say? This is a great item for home workouts. It is lightweight and easy to assemble. The bar is sturdy and the resistance bands provide a good workout. I love that it is portable and can be taken anywhere. Number 4. Ayombo Pilates Bar Kit. Achieve your fitness goals with this versatile Pilates bar kit. It offers targeted training for a perfect figure, allowing you to get twice the results with half the effort. Take it anywhere and make it your silent companion for a healthy lifestyle. This equipment provides a full-body workout that can be customized to your fitness level. It works seamlessly with other home gym gear to help you achieve excellent results. Customize your workout with adjustable resistance bands. You can use them individually or combine them for up to 70 pounds of resistance. It helps you exercise your hips, arms, back, and abdomen, while also improving flexibility and squat training. Enjoy a comfortable and non-slip grip with its foam padding. The secure assembly method prevents accidents, allowing you to focus on your workout without any worries. This lightweight and portable kit is a great alternative to bulky equipment like dumbbells or rowing machines. It offers the same benefits as resistance bands and yoga sets, making it ideal for both regular exercisers and those starting out. Experience smooth movements with 360 degrees rotating metal lugs that prevent tangled bands. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance for all your exercises. Easily assembled and disassembled, this bar is suitable for all ages. Its versatile design offers a wide range of exercise possibilities, making it perfect for the entire family to enjoy. What we like? Experience a workout that's both comfortable and safe with its non-slip foam grip and innovative 360 degrees rotating lugs that prevent band tangling. If you prioritize a smooth, uninterrupted workout experience and appreciate thoughtful design details that enhance safety and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say? The bar is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take to the gym or use at home. It comes with resistance bands that can be adjusted to your desired level of difficulty. The bar is sturdy and well-made, and it feels secure when you're using it for exercises. Number 3. RENRANRING Pilates Bar Kit with Resistance Bands. Introducing the RENRANRING Pilates Bar Kit, the most complete home workout equipment available. It includes everything you need for a professional-level session right in your own home. Experience superior comfort with its upgraded squat bar, featuring a soft foam pad and a heavy-duty metal buckle for quick and accurate adjustments. You'll enjoy a comfortable grip during any exercise. Setting up is a breeze, taking only seconds to connect and disassemble. Its lightweight design and included carry bag make it perfect for workouts at home, outdoors, or while traveling. Adapt your training with resistance bands offering a wide range of weights, from 20 to 180 pounds. It's ideal for yoga, Pilates, stretching, and more, helping you sculpt your body and improve flexibility. This durable and non-slip equipment, along with the included exercise guide, will help you boost your strength, flexibility, and balance for a healthier you. What we like. Featuring a newly upgraded heavy-duty metal adjustment buckle, this option allows for quick and accurate rope length adjustments. If you value precision and efficiency in your workouts, and want a comprehensive kit with multiple resistance band options to tailor your training precisely, this is an excellent pick. What people say. It is very sturdy and well made, and the resistance bands are strong. The bar is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for travel. It provides a full body workout and is great for toning and strengthening. Number 2. KUTIZE Pilates Bar Kit with resistance bands. Introducing the KUTIZE Pilates Bar Kit, the most comprehensive Pilates home equipment available. It includes everything you need for a professional workout experience right in your living room. Crafted with a durable steel pipe core wrapped in soft foam, this bar offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. Its solid construction ensures it will be your reliable fitness companion for years to come. This portable set is a perfect alternative to bulky gym equipment. Easily use it at home, at the office, or even take it to the gym for effective warm-ups and workouts. Designed for those with demanding schedules, it allows for quick and effective exercises anytime, anywhere. Whether you're watching TV or de-stressing, you can easily incorporate a workout. This multifunctional bar enhances strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. It's ideal for yoga, Pilates, stretching, and full-body exercises, helping you sculpt your body and improve posture. Setting up and taking down is a breeze, taking only seconds. Its adjustable straps and included carrying bag make it incredibly portable and easy to store, saving you valuable space. We stand by the quality of our Pilates Bar Kit. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This kit is designed with busy individuals in mind, offering a practical way to exercise anytime, anywhere, and serving as a great alternative to bulky gym equipment. If you have a demanding schedule but still want to fit in effective workouts at home or even at work, this portable and versatile bar is perfect for you. What people say. The bar is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take to the gym or use at home. It's a great tool for toning and strengthening your entire body, especially your core. The resistance bands provide a good workout and can be adjusted for different levels. Number 1. Yes 4 All Total Body Workout Weighted Bar. Introducing the Yes 4 All Total Body Workout Weighted Bar, your all-in-one solution for strength training and flexibility. This set includes 3 bars of 10, 15, and 20 pounds, each 48 inches long. They are built with a heavy-duty steel core for exceptional durability and stability. Experience enhanced comfort with its durable, high-density padded foam surface that prevents slipping, even during intense workouts. It's designed to be tear-resistant and breathable. Each bar features a color-coded, anti-roll end cap made of TPR plastic. This design prevents them from rolling away and makes them easy to identify by weight. Use it to burn more calories, strengthen your arms and legs, improve balance, and build core strength. You can achieve significant results in just minutes a day. This versatile bar is perfect for a wide range of activities, including circuit training, kickboxing, weightlifting, aerobics, yoga, and Pilates. It's suitable for both home and gym use. What we like. This option provides a set of 3 weighted bars in different weights, offering a unique approach to strength training and calorie burning. If you prefer working with dedicated weighted bars for exercises like yoga, Pilates, or general strength training, and appreciate the added stability and ease of identification provided by the color-coded caps, this is a solid choice. What people say. The bar is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take to the gym or use at home. It comes with resistance bands that can be adjusted to different levels, allowing for a customized workout. The bar is sturdy and well-made, and it feels secure during exercises. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.